So you uploaded a video and you waited for hours. Still, there was no views. You were stuck at 0 views. You're not alone. And it's not always your fault, guys. If your videos are consistently stuck at 0 or barely reaching a handful of views, it means something in your upload process is blocking growth, okay? Or in your channel generally, before your growth even starts. So in this video, I will show you the main reasons why your videos are not getting views on YouTube. And I'll also tell you a simple change that you can actually make that can give you those views that you're looking for. Don't give up, guys. Let's fix this together. If this is the kind of video you want to watch, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop your questions and contributions in the comment section. My name is Jobewe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I teach about YouTube growth, okay? So feel free to go through my videos because they will be able to help you a whole lot. Now, the first thing to fix this 0 view date is check for your account verification. Okay, this is not the normal tick verification that you have. This is the first verification you do on your channel as a new YouTuber, okay, as a new creator on the platform. And in order for you to do it, you can actually get to verify your account using your phone number. All you have to do is just to go to www.youtube.com/verify, just like you're seeing in my screen. So if you are verified, it tells you that your phone number has been verified, okay? When you are done with your phone number verification, YouTube will as well require another verification, which is your facial verification, okay? A lot of people don't really tell you this, but this is accurate. In order for you to post a video that is even more than 15 minutes long, you need to verify your phone number and verify your face. YouTube wants to know whether you're a robot or a human being. Do you understand me? And if you can do these 2 verifications, your account will be tagged as a human account, not as a bot account. The reason why they keep doing this is just to know where you are from and to know where to start pushing your videos first. So when you verify your phone number, YouTube start pushing your videos to people within your region, okay? When they are done with those people, over time, they will now increase it to spread out to other people outside your region. Do you understand me? So verify your account so that you will not be getting 0 views glitch. Because YouTube will assume your account is a robot account. Another thing that can actually make you be having 0 views is when you are posting and ghosting. A lot of people do these things. You just post and boom, you are gone. You come back the next day or the following week to post again and you are gone again. And you're coming back the following week again. Guys, this will tag you as a robot. YouTube likes humans. They want humans to be the ones operating their platform. Because if they're going to be paying you when you monetize, you have to be a human being to be receiving the money. You have to work and prove yourself. Okay, you have to study and upload and show yourself to be approved before YouTube can actually give you whatever it is you're looking for. So don't be posting and ghosting. It will just make YouTube put that account in one corner. They'll just hide your account, hide all of your uploads because you post and then you are gone. 24 hours have passed. You've not come online. So what do you do in this kind of situation? When you are done posting, watch your videos first. Okay, be the first viewer for your video. I've dropped this before and I'll still say it again. Watch your videos first, like your video and drop comments on your videos. Okay, drop comments on that particular video and every other video that you have and pin your comment. This will tell you too that, oh, this person is even active and there's every tendency that they can start pushing your videos, okay? Then when you are done watching your videos, also go ahead and watch other videos that can actually help you create. Watch other videos that can actually help you create, okay? And just keep doing research on YouTube. Because as a creator, you have to do what is already working. And you coming here, there's actually nothing you want to do that somebody else has not done something similar. Okay, so you have competitors in the platform and in that your niche. Go ahead and watch their videos, see what they are doing, look at their presentation, just do research. If you like entertaining things like dancing video, you can also take a break and watch 1 or 2 dancing videos. But don't forget, create more than you consume, okay? But in the same way, in order for you to create, you need to do research. And that is where watching videos in your niche that concerns what you are creating comes in, okay? The more you watch, the more you get ideas. The more you get ideas to strategize and plan for your own video, okay? So guys, don't post and ghost. Please post and be active on the platform. And that's when I bring me to the next point, which is be a valid contributor to YouTube's platform, okay? YouTube wants you to contribute because you as a creator, you are also a viewer to somebody else. Do you understand me? So that is why YouTube wants to also retain you as a viewer, because you are a viewer to somebody else and somebody else is the viewer to you. So YouTube wants to retain all of the viewers that they can. So be a valid contributor to YouTube. Now, another reason why you can be getting 0 views on your post is because you're not posting valuable content. I'll keep emphasizing on this particular point. Valuable content actually makes people come to your channel. It actually retains viewers. It retains views. Okay, when your content is packed with value, people will stay to watch longer videos. Even if your video is up to 10 minutes, people don't mind staying to watch it. But when there is no value, they will keep clicking off at that first 30 seconds. But when your video answers a lot of questions and gives a lot of entertainment or whatever niche you are in, people will keep watching. Okay, because there's curiosity. They will keep watching what's going to happen next. What is she going to say next? What is he going to do next? So please create valuable content, unique content. And even if you want to recreate, make it fully packed with value. Another reason why you're getting 0 views is your account age. For some people, they'll just create a YouTube channel today and then they will start bombarding it with videos. Please, when you create a YouTube channel, give it time. And while you're giving it time, keep using that channel. You can give that channel at least 2 weeks to a month to be established. Okay, so that is why most times it's even preferable to use an old account, okay, to start creating your content. But that old account might have an issue, so that's why it's also good that you can create a new one. But if your old account is clean, there's no issue, it's preferable. But if you are not so sure, then create another new account. But when you create a new account, give it time. Don't just start posting at that very point. Give it 2 weeks to a month. And during that 2 weeks to a month, engage on YouTube videos. Be active online. Like I said before, YouTube wants you to be a valid contributor to their platform. They see you as a viewer. Even though you are a creator, you are still a viewer. Every creator is a viewer to another creator. Do you understand? Every creator is a viewer to another creator. So when you create a new channel, watch videos with it. Write comments on other people's videos. Like people's videos. Share people's videos. Just do a whole lot of things. The normal things you do online. Do it to that channel for at least 2 weeks to a month. And then while you are doing all of this, you are strategizing and posting your videos. And something else that can actually make you have 0 views is posting too much. At least post 1 video a day. Okay, so whether you're going to post long form or short, let it be at least 1 video a day. And if you're posting weekly, you can post 1 video a week or 2 videos a week. Don't post more than 3 videos in 1 day. You will not get this, because it will be like you're in a competition with yourself. You understand? It will look like you're in a competition with yourself and your videos are crashing into each other. Do you understand? So post at least 1 video a day and leave it. Allow that video time to go viral, to trend. Don't use another upload to block it. Okay, stop posting too much. Another thing is proper optimization of your videos. Most people don't know how to optimize their videos. Optimize your videos, put catchy thumbnails. This thing is very important. We keep saying it in almost all of the videos because you are not doing it well enough. Optimize your videos, put searchable titles, searchable description, clickable thumbnails. Okay, put clickable thumbnails. Thumbnails that when people see, they will be able to click it and watch. They will love to click it and watch. Okay, this is very important. Every YouTube growth video you see, we talk about optimization. Because if you don't optimize your videos, you will not get views. Do you understand me? So please, optimize your videos so that you can start getting views. Lastly, posting the wrong time, okay? If you want to post a video, please post in a time where people are online, okay? It could be that you don't have videos piled up. That's why you are posting the wrong time, because you're not in a hurry to meet up with schedule. So please, when you have to post a video, post when people are online, according to your geographical zone. Okay, let people in your area or in your country watch your videos first before other people will come and join them. Do you understand? So post videos when people are online. Don't want to be posting when people are already sleeping or off to bed or off to work and they're not online to watch it. So post when people are online and then you start getting views. Because if you post when people are offline, by the time they finally come online, your video must have gone down already and other new videos are popping up. Do you understand? So you will get 0 views in that kind of situation. So guys, put all of this in place and you will see a change in your videos view. Okay, you begin to get views, right? This is it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.